Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Michelle. I make all types of videos from cleaning, cooking, reviews, some hauls, some decor, so there's a little bit of everything here on this channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a Dollar Tree Power Hour clean with me, and I'm also going to be using Dollar Tree products. Today's video is also a collab with my friends here on YouTube. I'm going to put them up here on the screen. So it's Giselle from Geizels Home, Wendy from TheMommaThatDoesItAll, Ivy from Howell, and Rose from Life as Rose. So as soon as you're done watching my video, please go over, check out their videos, tell them hi. They're all amazing ladies. They make content similar to mine, and I will also link their channels below in my description box. So without further ado, let's get on into the video. Hey guys, so I'm just getting back and I wanted to show you guys everything that I got from Dollar Tree. So I put everything here on my dining room table and I'm just gonna go through each item. So let me just show you everything that I got. So we have a magic eraser. I picked up these cleaning, multi-purpose cleaning cloths, and there's two here in the package. I picked up this disinfectant spray. This is one of their newer products. It's Comet Antibacterial Spray Cleaner. Kills 99.9% of bacteria and viruses. Also kills COVID-19. I really like this Spick and Span antibacterial cleaner. I use this for the floors and it smells really nice. I picked up a box of Brillo. It really works the best in my opinion. I got this Palmolive antibacterial dish detergent. I got a pack of sponges because I go through sponges like crazy and I always like to have them in the house. I got this foaming bathroom cleaner with bleach. Somebody told me that this works really well, so I'm going to give it a try. I got a toothbrush for cleaning those hard to reach places. I got a package of disposable gloves. So this comes with 100 gloves. And these are really good for cleaning, cooking. I keep some in the side of my door in the car so that when I pump gas, I don't have to touch the pump. I got this bucket because it's always good to have a bucket in the house. I got just 2 packages of the Clorox and Lysol wipes. Waiting at the register, I saw these decals for the laundry room or whatever you want to do with them. They had all different kinds. But I figured I can do something with this, so I thought that was really cute. That is it. So everything for $15. So this is everything. Now let's get into the cleaning. So I'm just going to start out cleaning my rotisserie machine. This was actually my mom's machine. I just love the way the food turns out in here. I made a whole chicken last night in here and it's just so good. Let me know if you guys have this machine or have seen it or used it before. This one is the Ronco. I don't even know if they sell these anymore. So as you can see, this one is pretty old, but I do try and keep it the best that I can. So now I'm just going to go ahead and take out all the products that I bought. As I mentioned before, this is going to be a power hour, so I'm going to see how much I can get done. I'm going to be using all of the Dollar Tree products that you see here and that I showed you earlier. So let's just start out. I'm going to fill up this organizer that I got. Really has come in handy in keeping things tidy underneath the sink. So I just went ahead and am going to put these sponges down here as well as the magic eraser, and I'm going to put my rags down here as well.
hoping somehow we can make this alright. Just keep on trying. Glass after glass, I keep hoping you'll come around. Drowning our fights and whatever can be found. 'Cause I've given in to all my demons lately. You know, might be easier just to let it go. Cut the cable short and the problem solved. Might be easier. For you, I do it all night. You're my only lifeline. Talk to me, baby. I've been waiting for a lifetime. Just keep on fading in all these photos, caught in the memories and captured in the highlights. Just keep on wasting. Might be easier just to let it go. Cut the cable short and the problem solved. Might be easier. For you, I do it all night. You're my only lifeline. What's it like to be the one that he turns to when he's out of answers? What's it like to be the one that he comes to when he wants to dance? And I wonder what's that like?
So now moving on to this dreaded stove. It just seems like whatever I use, nothing would get this grease out right around the burner, and it was driving me crazy. So now that I have the Brillo, I'm going to try that out and see how it works. So I'm just spraying some of this Comet spray first, and then I'll go ahead and go in with the Brillo pad.
What's it like to hold his hand when he tells you that you're all he wants? And it's midnight, oh, I'm thinking about him.
So I have to say the Brillo worked really well. It's not perfect, but it will do. And I'm just gonna go ahead now and put on the caps, and then I can move on to cleaning the dining room.
Acting stupid like every day. Don't know what to do or what I should say. 'Cause I have got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name. I wanna hold his hand, 'cause I can't stop thinking about him. And would he understand if I told him how I feel about him? Oh, 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 oh. I have got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name. And I'm running out of time. I wish he felt
So now I know where little Johnny's been eating all his snacks. There were so many crumbs on this computer desk. So I'm going to give it a good cleaning and then I'm going to vacuum underneath.
Every change has a reason. Baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities. If the passion's gone, we are doing it wrong. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now. 'Cause we only have this life. Wanna laugh and wanna cry. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start.
So now I'm moving on to the entryway table as well as changing the AC filter and cleaning the vent. It is super dusty. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that and then I'm going to decorate the entryway table.
Close, can you feel it? Something is behind the clouds. We just have to believe it, that we can make the sun come out. Let us lose ourselves in a fairy tale. Who can say what's wrong or right? We're the only ones who can decide. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now. 'Cause we only have this life. Wanna laugh and wanna cry. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now. 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 Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Before you turn away, I just want you to know that I didn't throw your stuff away. Before you make up your mind that I'm nowhere to find, I'm standing right here. I know that I told you we're over. I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me. Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Till the morning light, yeah. Till the morning light.
So I did deep clean the bathroom just 2 days ago, but I did want to go ahead and try this foaming bathroom cleaner, and so far I'm really liking it. It's cleaning everything really nice, and I'm just going to go ahead and give the bathroom just a quick clean, just to sink in the toilet, just to try this out. I'm liking it so far.
I swear that I'm sober, just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me. Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right, we'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right, we'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now?
So I hope that you guys liked today's video. Please don't forget to check out my friends' videos. I will also link them down below in the description box. And I just wanted to show you how those decals turned out. I put them on the laundry room door and I think it looks really cute. Please give this video a like, please subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. And I will see you guys again real soon in another video.